Okay, cool. So 30 minutes, it's fine. Until I start. فقال لي talk in English يعني sorry. So okay. Okay guys, how are you doing today? Okay, first thanks for your coming today, and I would appreciate it. And today I'm going to talk about the PowerPoint, how to use the PowerPoint when you teach a student in the classroom, specific for the teachers. And you are teachers, guys, and maybe you've been teaching for a while. So today, first thing, I will show you the tutorial of the PowerPoint. Then I will talk about the PowerPoint, how to make the hyperlink, the PowerPoint, how to make the slides and use the slide to show your information to the student in the classroom. So first time, we will look at this tutorial that I made it by myself. So. Okay, when you look at this tutorial, it talks about how to go to the start. Then you click the PowerPoint button. Then it will show you, this is the PowerPoint that we are using when we show information or try to make the presentation in the classroom. Also give just this tutorial that I did. How to write the title and the first slide. This is the first slide that we have in the PowerPoint. For example, my title, PowerPoint presentation. This is my title. It could be other title that you have. You will talk about motorbike, you will talk about car, everything that you like and or you wish in your PowerPoint. Second thing, when you go here, that it is. When you start working in the PowerPoint, and you might maybe save your work, and if you want to add some pictures like this picture, you can add it in any slide. Like this picture, this is picture for me and a friend of mine. So this is a picture has taken maybe 1 year ago. To add it in your slide, if you want to talk about this is another slide on the next slide. So because you can make more than one slide in your PowerPoint, and the second slide also maybe you can make make title of this slide, and also with this you can use just the text box. Okay, this is the title that you type by yourself, and whatever you're using in that PowerPoint, you will type it. You can also make the writing or the handwriting bigger or small by going to the navigation bar and make it change the size of the writing to the 12 or 11 or 9, so you to make the writing bigger or smaller. It keeps talking about the PowerPoint. I think it shouldn't be too long. Again, this is the picture that you can insert in the PowerPoint. Actually, I gave you just idea, and I'm going to use maybe this in front of you guys. We are going to show just some example of the PowerPoint. Okay, first one, what I need you to learn in when you do the PowerPoint. First day, for example, this day teacher will talk about the definition of PowerPoint or some advantage. We will talk about the definition. What's the PowerPoint? What's the advantage? What's the advantage of using the PowerPoint? Also, how to create the PowerPoint. So, if I ask you guys, what's the PowerPoint? Can you answer my question? Anyone has answered for this question? What's the PowerPoint? What's the PowerPoint? What's the definition? Abdullah, an idea? What's the PowerPoint?
Not exactly that way. I have the definition, but maybe it is an electronic way of presenting material in class or in conference.
Excellent. Any other answer, Pastor? Do you have another answer? Yeah, I think as electronic way, or we say software program that we use just to represent your information. Because if I have information and I don't want to talk, I will show you the PowerPoint, and the PowerPoint will show you everything in that PowerPoint, all the information. So this is the definition. What's the advantage of using the PowerPoint? What's the advantage? If I use it, what's the benefit from that? It will help me with
explain your idea or your topic.
Excellent, excellent. Yes, yeah. If I want to explain something and I would like to show you that explanation, I will use the PowerPoint to explain everything. Even if you have a class, at the end of each class, your instructor or your professor will ask you to show your project, your information that you did during the class, to show it in the PowerPoint. So you have to use it. You have to be familiar with how to use the PowerPoint. So also the teacher will provide the tutorial that what I provide. Teacher will talk about some ways to start with the PowerPoint, and there is also this is the example now. I will start to use the PowerPoint now. For the teacher who want to use the PowerPoint in the classroom, first I will go to start. You see start now? Mm-hmm. You see the mouse?
Yeah.
Okay. If I go, where is the PowerPoint here? Here or here? Where is it, Muhammad? This one?
Here.
Okay, excellent. The third one. It's say Microsoft Word. I will click here. Okay. It will show me the first slide. Okay, the first slide. The reason, the first one that I would like to show you how to use the PowerPoint. For example, okay, let's click here and delete this text box. Delete it. And if you click here, let's delete this one. I will start first to insert, then make the text box. This is the text box. Okay. And if you come here, you make copy, then go back the text box. Okay. And also you will come here again, let's do it again, and make other text box. Okay, let's do the first one. The first one, you will talk about, you have four people. They are very famous people. You will talk about, do you know any name for famous people here in America or outside of America? So I can type it here. Yes, do you know any name? You want me to type it, any name, an English name, any English name. So I can type it here.
Michael Jackson.
So maybe Michael like this, I think. Yeah, we will type it. Let's say this is Michael, okay.
This
program. Okay, let's go to the second one. Okay, copy. Then I will say paste. Okay. Then what? Okay, what's the name you mentioned, Muhammad?
Oprah, Michael Jordan.
Oprah. Okay. Okay, and we will go again here and copy. We say copy, and we will paste here another